In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech step by step, including where to find Google's latest text-to-speech models and how to generate an API key that you can use in your own apps, tools, or software projects. This is perfect if you're a developer, content creator, or business owner who wants high-quality AI voices directly from Google. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Cloud account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top left corner and click on the hamburger menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main navigation menu for all Google Cloud services. From here, scroll down and click on Vertex AI. Vertex AI is where Google hosts many of its AI and machine learning tools, including text-to-speech. After clicking Vertex AI, you'll be taken to the Vertex AI overview page. On the left-hand side, find and click on Vertex AI Studio. This is the interface that lets you interact with different AI models directly in your browser without writing any code. Once Vertex AI Studio loads, click on the New button. This allows you to start a new project or experiment using one of Google's AI capabilities. Next, click on Speech. This will open the text-to-speech section, where you can access Google's available TTS models. Here you can type in text, choose different voices, languages, and audio formats, and then generate speech instantly. This is a great way to test voice quality and understand what each model sounds like before integrating it into your own application. You can experiment here by pasting in sample text, adjusting voice settings, and listening to the output. This is especially useful if you're planning to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech for videos, apps, audiobooks, or automation workflows. Once you're comfortable with the voices and settings, you're ready to move on to API access. Now, if you want a Gemini text-to-speech API key that you can use outside of the Google Cloud Console, open a new tab and go to aistudio.google.com/projects. From here, click on Create New Project. Give your project a name and finish setting it up. Once the project is created, look to the top right corner and click on Get API Keys. Google will generate an API key for your project. This API key can be used in any software, application, or tool that you're building, as long as it supports Google's text-to-speech or Gemini APIs. Make sure to keep this key secure and never share it publicly because it provides access to your project's resources. And that's it. You now know how to access Google Cloud Text-to-Speech using Vertex AI, how to test Google's TTS models, and how to generate an API key for use in your own tools and applications. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.